quite an experience here so far. I gotta show you what China is really about. I'll take you there right now. This event is awesome. Honestly, vendors from all across the world, Turkey, China, Dubai, you can name it. There's lots of businesses, lots of interesting things to see. This week is more home decors, construction related materials, plumbing materials, HVAC materials. So if you guys are interested in looking for things that are within your industry, give me a shout. I may be able to get you some nice suppliers and make you some deals out here. So guys, I came out to the malls here and wholesale stores, and this is amazing. You got clothing everywhere, all reasonably priced. Like you got suits, you got shirts, you got hats, you got anything you can think of for men, women, everybody, kids. This is pretty sick. This is the market, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. Maybe bargain some prices, you can see. Found a pool hall here, right up there. I'm gonna come back here and play in a little bit. I'm just walking around, showing you guys where I'm staying in the area. It's beautiful out here. I haven't had any trouble. I can tell you guys right now, China is one of the safest countries to be in. I'm gonna be going to different cities, showing you different views, different areas, talk about it a little bit, and talk about my experience out here. 80% of cars here are all electric cars. It's insane to see. I thought we were advanced, but no, man. These guys are 10 times more advanced than us. Street vendors. And yes, you do see a lot of people riding their bikes through the streets as well as the walkways. It's kind of crazy, it's busting. And all of these bikes are electric bikes. So you can see them, they're all electric bikes. I think this is one of the best cities or best countries I've been to so far. And I've been, you know, to Dubai, to Colombia, to Mexico, and Canada, of course, and US. But personally speaking, best experience I've had is in this country. There's no drugs, there's no nothing. Everything is very like secure. And you'll see these guys a lot. These guys do deliveries, and like deliveries are available almost 24 hours a day. It's kind of crazy, and everybody's riding bikes. I think this place is way more packed than any of our cities, and still everyone helps each other, everyone cleans up after each other. I didn't think I would have this much fun in China. Yes, it's very hot here, Sometimes it rains, which is why I have this on. It was raining earlier and now it's not. If you guys see me walking around with a jacket sweating away, it's because it's really hot. Being here almost a month, I'm really getting used to a lot of the environment, a lot of the people. They're super nice. I'll let you be the judge of what you guys feel, but I personally can say I was told before coming here that this is the most unsafe country. It's dangerous, be careful, this and that. Honestly, everybody's wrong. And I'm walking around with a GoPro showing you everything, and as you guys can see, no one's bugged me, no one's come over my shoulder. Over here the laws are so strict that there's no reason for anyone to be doing anything funky. I highly recommend you guys come to China and experience it for yourself. Don't judge a book by its cover like they say. Everyone's judging it because of our government and how we, you know, show it. But in reality, man, it's quite the experience. And everything is open late night. This is where I come to get my foot massages, back massages. These guys will come around and do deliveries. Grocery stores are open late. Anything you need is available to you within minutes. This whole month I haven't been recording as much as I should be, but again, first you need to understand the environment, what you're doing. So I wanted to have a feel for it before I started bringing out my equipment and walking around. But I can guarantee you, you're safer than you are in Canada and in US. Surprising to say, but it's the fact. I don't have anything bad to say about China so far. And you know what they say, when you go around the world, you experience it, you live a little bit more, and you learn a lot of things. And being out here has taught me a lot. Translating apps work great. You will find scammers, like there are scammers everywhere, like you will. Most of the times, your biggest scammers will be taxi drivers. So when you're out here, get yourself the DD app. It's like Uber out here. It's been literally a couple of dollars to go anywhere in Guangzhou. This is the apartment I'm staying at. Light rain happening, which is pretty nice, you know, it feels good. I am enjoying it. It's midnight and these kids are playing around like nobody to worry about. An amazing experience, very safe, very secure. I would recommend you guys to check this place out. Initially we were worried about taking our equipment out here. That's why I got this GoPro and then I got my drone out here. But I'm gonna show you what it's truly about through my experience.